Before you focus on the profit, watch the analysis. Every trade you're about to see was based on my TurboTrend FX workflow on IQ Option. No random entries, no guessing. I'll explain each decision step by step so you can understand the process behind the results. The first step, I open TurboTrend FX. Next, I select the market I want to analyze. After that, I choose the IQ Option broker. If everything is correct, I click Confirm to start the analysis process. Within seconds, TurboTrend FX displays the results of the market analysis. Okay, so now I've opened 4 different market positions based on the analysis results from TurboTrend FX. As you can see, I didn't enter randomly. All positions were opened after market analysis. Now let's wait for the results. While you wait, remember the workflow I always use. Select a market, connect to IQ Option, run the analysis, check the analysis results, then determine if it's worth entering. This method helps me stay disciplined and avoid trading based on emotions. The results are starting to show. Some markets move faster, while others take longer. Most importantly, all positions were opened based on a structured analysis process. If you'd like to try the analysis tool I use in this video, you can check out the video link in the video description. Please check the video description now, as I've included the download link and access to the bot. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the next analysis session. As you can see, all 4 positions I opened have now closed. This was my trading session on a live account, and here are the results of the positions I took during that session. The most important thing isn't just the final result, but that each entry I took followed the same analytical process before opening a position. Now let's move on. I'll open the next opportunity so you can see how TurboTrend FX works live. In this example, I used a 5-minute signal duration. Now let's see how this analysis developed.